Hello again, my local cross group networking friends, and welcome to AI and the Future of You, right here on our brand new ETV channels. Now, you can quickly and confidently learn the great discoveries with AI inside, right here on our local ETV Global Media channels, because everything is new with AI inside, including YouTube and our local cross group business networking, which is also new with AI inside. Let's continue the conversation right now. Hello again, successful business networkers and those who wish to be. Welcome to the half trillion AI, learn do it yourself AI. And these are my voice memos. And I want to show you some really cool things about voice memos. This is all part of learning about do it yourself AI and some of the things that I do. So I want to show you this part of it. Let me share a little bit more of the screen here. There, I can do that. Here we have do it yourself AI memo transcript. So here's the transcript about how to fast track. Look at all my morning thoughts of the day, and these are the things that I want to share with you. So what I can do is I can grab one word, and that's, I find, the easiest way to do it, copy and paste that, and then I can put it into ChatGPT. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT, and I call this checking in and following up every day. So I just typed in, help me clarify and summarize my most important AI food for thought for the day, Saturday 25th and 2025. Now I'm going to paste in my notes, and then I'm going to see what ChatGPT has to say. Okay, here's the summary of what it has to say. Now I can use it as a teleprompter for my thought for the day about how to fast track to financial freedom and job creation for 40-year-olds. That's just a thought, because my kids are right around that ballpark, and some of my closest friends are in their 40s, and some of them are looking for jobs or job security or expanding it. And this includes my friends and family, and I focus on cross-age group networking. So what I love about me being so involved with AI, it keeps me young, thinking young, and it keeps me working with people who are, let's say, in their 40s or think like a 40-year-old, because I happen to believe that 40-year-olds, they're really at the peak of their productivity. They've got great experiences. They've learned a lot of things. They know a lot of things, and they're very capable and connected and full of vim and vigor in life. And just, it's a great time. They still need some guidance and experience from people who have more experience to help them avoid some mistakes. But look at this. Now I have an instant way for me to use this as a teleprompter, why email marketing is essential. So let's get into a little bit of these things, couple of things, key points. Email marketing remains to me the backbone of effective communication, because what I talk about is that AI is not just about content creation. Okay, that's going to become virtually worthless soon. It's going to have absolutely no value, because creating content with AI is just like creating a soap bubbles with a soap bubble machine. There's just going to be so many of them. They mean absolutely nothing. There's no value. The value is in experience and wisdom. So that's what we really want to focus on. And I'm going to be using it. I'm just going to tell you what I know, and you can reject it. Now, I one thing that I have learned, and I also want to teach, and that's this. I will admit to one thing, and then I will share a second thing about it. Okay, I fully admit that I am a very opinionated person. I get that, okay? But I also know that just because I am opinionated does not mean that I am right about everything. I get that. I'm not. But I also know that I'm not. But a lot of opinionated people that I love and care for and work with don't understand that part of it. They think just because they're opinionated like I am, that means they're always right. It doesn't. And I know that. That's what I know. Okay. So that's my wisdom, is that just I am opinionated because I do a lot of research and I have great beliefs in things, but I also accept that I'm always learning. So One of the most important things I've learned is how to integrate multimedia and organize it into CRM and provides traction for local initiatives. Because what we really want to do is to use the $500 billion AI initiative out of the White House, a $500 billion AI, to take those initiatives and work locally for job creation, for the future of work, for the future of business, for the future of you and me and AI and local job creation initiatives. For me, it's right here in Lafayette, California, using AI for thought refinement and productivity, the future of work and AI in real life. So I want to teach people how to do what I'm doing, using AI to learn how to think bigger and grow richer with AI, but using human-centric AI approaches. And I'm just hitting on some of the highlights here for my thoughts for the day. Preventing overwhelm AI content pollution. That's a good word. I'm a branding guy, so we all have to brand ourselves and rebrand ourselves in the era of AI. But I love content pollution because that's really what creates and that's a good one. That's a really good one because that is the cause of brain rot, which is the word of the year from Oxford University. That's a good phrase. Now, I love to coin terms, okay, because I'm a branding guy, and my goal is to coin more terms for the future of AI than anybody else on planet Earth. So that's a challenge. It's just fun, Don't don't drive me crazy about it. But anyway, AI can create more than I can create because, believe me, it's super fast. But you just watch me create this AI teleprompter. And my call to action is start today by recording your thoughts and voice memos or even notes on your phone. So use your phone a lot. And you can use it in conjunction because with the two blend together, at least in my case, because of the cloud. What I do on my phone, I connect with the cloud to my laptop. So these are things I'll be talking about and I'll be teaching about how this framework blends my vision for local job creation, AI-driven communication, financial freedom while providing practical steps for implementation. So I want to know what you think, what you like, what you don't like. So I put the link to a short form so you can super share, so I can super serve you, because I can create content, as you can see, in the blink of an eye. And I'm going to be putting Loom videos right below this YouTube video with links for the AI Super Campus to teach you how I can now take this to the next step, the next step, the next step. So I'm going to be teaching do-it-yourself AI right here. And please keep the conversation going. We can create local initiatives with this $500 billion AI initiative that's national, but we want to focus locally and how to solve local problems, creating models that solve global problems, even world hunger and saving local media and so many different things. I want to hear your feedback. And job creation and job protection, job defense. So your best defense is an offense, and really getting into AI so that we can control it, monitor it. I've even heard fear of it creating the American version of the French Revolution, because when these oligarchs become so powerful and rich, what's going to happen to the stakeholders? Are we counting on them to have human kindness? They certainly haven't seemed to have shown it except to each other. So these are things we all have to be aware of. We all have to be concerned about. And I want to take in everybody's feedback so that we can use networking. Because when we're unsure, we tend to gather in networking. That's why I created Business Networking AI. So I hope you will join us. I hope you will share with me your thoughts, your concerns, so you can teach me. Even though I'm opinionated, you can show me where I'm wrong, and I can learn more and share my wisdom with you. So thanks for joining me. I'm looking forward to working with you. My name is Mike Hayes. Talk to you soon.